Hello, my friends. In this detailed lesson, we will thoroughly learn and gain a clear understanding of the precise and correct way to effectively display the virtual home button, which you can clearly see now on all modern iPhones. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So you go directly to the default settings app that is available on all iPhones and open it as usual. After that, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Accessibility, then tap on it. Then scroll down a bit more until you find the option labeled Touch and tap on it. Next, you will want to tap on the very first available option, which is clearly labeled as Assistive Touch. Following this, you will notice that this particular screen will then appear before your eyes, just as you can clearly see it displayed here. At this point, you simply need to proceed to enable the specific option that is distinctly labeled Assistive Touch. So I will disable this option, and as you can see, the button disappears. Now I will enable the option again. And as you can clearly see, the helpful button has now appeared again. This particular button provides several convenient shortcuts for your phone's various functions, which will undoubtedly be very useful and beneficial to you if you've successfully reached this specific point. Don't forget to thoroughly check out this very useful playlist of essential iPhone tutorials. You'll undoubtedly find many important and highly beneficial guides there that you'll certainly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.